Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change birthday on Wattpad. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in Wattpad homepage, okay, click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And after that, okay, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, click account settings. And okay guys, here in account settings, okay, you can see below the birthday. Okay, you'll have to do is click this to change. And the pop-up will show, and okay, to change the month, okay, you can scroll down or scroll up. And okay guys, and to change the day, okay, you can scroll down and scroll up. And the year. And okay guys, if your birthday are set, you only have to do is click set button. And okay guys, birthday change. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.